everybody has one common problem in his or her life. That is, there are some stages, some points they feel shyness. So I chose this topic. I can discuss this and connect to my audience. Shyness is a big problem in most of the people, and some people are really talented, but because of this habit, they just go down. So as I said that this problem is common in most of the people, I also had the same problem, and even I am having this problem sometimes. I will tell you some of the experiences I have faced in my life and how I can come out from these problems. Some situations I will tell you. So let's start this. When I was feeling shy, but one day I did an exceptional job. The owner of my shop, he went outside somewhere for 1 hour, and at that time the biggest item of this shop was a makeup kit. That was very new and the biggest item of the shop, and I sold this makeup kit to the customer and on a very high price, on a very high profit margin. And when this owner of the shop came, because that was always the eye-catching on the showcase, he said, "Wasim, where is this?" I said, "Look, I have sold it out." "You sold it out? How much?" Then I told him the price and he was shocked. So he said, "Wow, what a good job." So that was one of the first achievement in this shop for me. Then slowly I started, I had another problem of this shyness. When I was in college, I was not a very rich person. I was belong to a middle class. So I used to be shy with the people, those people who were very rich, who used to come in the cars. I used to avoid. But slowly, I removed this habit also. I spoke with them, I got attracted with them, and slowly I removed this habit also. Then I did my graduation. After my graduation, what should I do? Some people say do CA, some people say do MBA, do this, do that. But I could not make anywhere because of my financial limitations. So I started doing ICM. When I come out to ICM, when I see the books, when I meet the people, oh my God, what a big mountain I have to travel. And I was like, I could not do. I was very shy. But slowly, by the span of 7 years, with job, I completed that ICM. And that is a very good time and more than earlier than an average time, which I completed my ICM with job. Then another thinking, after doing my ICM, I had two choices, either to stay here and either to go outside. So as usual, mothers, she start telling me, "See, get married now. We are going to find girls for you." I said, "No, mom, please wait for a while, let me build my career." She said, "No, you have to get married." I said, "Okay." Then I chose it's better to run away from Pakistan to another country. So I moved to UAE, and there when I go there, I was already having a big title, that is CFO. And when I reach there, people say, "Oh, Wasim, what have you done? You did a big blunder. You will not be succeeded here." At that time, I promised myself that I will achieve this within 5 years. I will achieve the same title within 5 years, and that, Alhamdulillah, I have done. Similarly, a lot of problems, a lot of events, a lot of times I faced the same problems, and I used to be shy. This shyness is a normal thing. Why I am telling you my experiences? Because everybody has some issues. Something they feel that they are not good. They are not good looking person. They are having some issues. Don't see your dark side. See your bright side. See your achievements. See what you have done. Because these things, you can shift your role from negative to positive, and you can trust on yourself immediately. When I get just any situation like this, I make a 30-second rewind of my life, of my achievements, and I said, no, I can do that also. I can sing now, I'm a motivation speaker, I can stand in front of 100, 200, 500 people, whatever the audience, I don't find any problem. That's why I'm here for Toastmaster Club. I still remember when I was delivering my first speech, although I was experienced, but I was feeling shy because standing here is not easy. So I rewind my 30 seconds and I decided, no, I can do it, and Alhamdulillah, I can do it. So never give up and give your best, and I hope you will not take shyness as your burden, but you can remove it as a practice. Thank you very much.